Welcome, it's Chef Jason Morse, your Ace Hardware Grill expert. I'm hanging out again at my local Ace Hardware today for something pretty sweet. That's right, we've got the Traegers fired up today, and we're making s'mores cones. So we're turning this Traeger from our normal smoker into the ultimate dessert-making machine. We're going to use our Traeger jalapeno rack today, and we're going to do something pretty cool. We're going to load some cones, make some s'mores cones, have some fun, and add a really cool amount of flavor to something we enjoy eating all year long. That's right, you don't have to have s'mores for the summer. You don't have to have s'mores during the fall. You can eat them all year long from the comfort of your Traeger. Well, thanks for joining us for this Red Vest approved video. If you have any ideas or suggestions for us, please leave them in the comment section below. Let us know what we can do, what we can help you with, or what we can show you, because we're here to be helpful. So you can grab our recipes today at acehardware.com. Go to the tips and advice tab, and in the search bar, type in recipes. You'll find this recipe and a whole lot more. And be sure to tell your friends, tell your family. It's time to subscribe to our Ace Hardware YouTube channel. Click on the little notification, enter in your email address. You'll be notified when the next Red Vest approved video is live and ready for you. So I think we're set and ready to go. Let's get cooking. We normally do a cool little food flyover, but we've got everything packed up here nice and tight today. So we're gonna do a little food walkthrough today. So we've got waffle cones, we've got sugar cones. The cool thing about this recipe is it works great in both. It works great in a waffle cone and it works great in the sugar cone as well. Again, we're using our Traeger jalapeno rack. That's gonna help hold all of our cones up. We've got some mini marshmallows and some milk chocolate. Super easy, super simple. But wait, your extra chef tip for the day, you wanna add a little fun to this? Check this out. We've got some waffle bowls, so now you can make a fun little s'mores waffle bowl. You can mix it up with a little bit of butterscotch chips as well. My favorite, some Reese's Pieces. You can even throw in some Reese's miniature cups as well, or if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can do a little mini M&Ms as well, but super fun, super easy recipe. When we come back, we're gonna show you how we build these guys, and then we're gonna show you how to preheat the Traeger, talk about the pellets we're using today, and get you all set and ready to go. So fueling the Traeger today is gonna be our new reserve blend, and this is cool because this is an exclusive pellet blend for Ace Hardware. So you won't find this blend anywhere else. We love it. It's packed full of oak, cherry, and apple flavors. Really gonna do a great job on these s'mores cones. So, you know, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and just top off our pellet hopper. And now that our pellet hopper is all topped off and ready to go, we're gonna preheat the Traeger. So today we're gonna preheat it to 275 degrees. We're gonna leave the lid closed. We're gonna turn it to 275 degrees, get our Traeger preheated, and then we're set to go. I'll let you in on one of my chef tips. I clean the foil every single time I use my Traeger. That's right, so every brand new cook, I have brand new, fresh, clean foil. And what that does is make sure that there's no particulate stuck to that that's gonna burn or add an off flavor or an off smoke to the rest of your food. That's important, especially when we're doing s'mores cones, because we want pure, pristine smoke to make these cones taste delicious. Well, not much for prep to do, right? We have three simple ingredients. We have a little bit of chocolate chips, some mini marshmallows, and our beautiful, gorgeous sugar cones. Not a lot to do. We took these guys out of the package. One of the things we're gonna do is we're gonna get them loaded in here, make sure that they stand up nice, get these guys all set and ready to go. And you can do as many as you want. The pepper rack will hold 12. If you wanna put 9 in there, you wanna put 10 in there, do that. One of the things I'll do first is a little bit of marshmallow in the bottom. That way this melts and forms a nice little seal, keeps that chocolate all up top for us. So we'll put a few marshmallows in the bottom, right, like that. And then we're gonna add we're just using some Ghirardelli milk chocolate. I prefer milk chocolate. If you wanna use a little dark or a little bittersweet, that works as well. Like I said before, a lot of cool options with this. You can definitely add some super flavor with some Reese's Pieces. You can add some flavor with some peanut butter cups as well. Hey, and you can even use a bigger cone. We like these small cones because it's a little personal size. So we'll go ahead and get these guys added like that. A little bit more marshmallows to put on top of our chocolate, like so. And then we're gonna top the very top of this with even more chocolate. That way it gets all nice and melty, all nice and smoky, makes a beautiful, easy, fun snack. Great thing here too, these are awesome leftover. So not only are they good fresh and hot out of the Traeger, but leftover are fantastic as well. All right. So, there you can see it. These guys are all ready to go. Well, we have our Traeger preheated. Again, we're using our Ace Hardware exclusive reserve blend pellets. A little oak, apple, and cherry to get some flavor in here. We have it preheated, like I said, 275. We're going to go ahead and set that chili pepper rack on, and we're going to close the lid. We're going to let that smoke work for just a few minutes, and then we'll come back and probably check this in about 2 minutes. But we're looking at a total cooking time on here of about 5 to 7 minutes. And don't worry if it takes 8 or 9. You want to get this, again, how you want it. So you want a nice, big, juicy, bubbly marshmallow, a little bit of toasted color on there, and definitely some melted chocolate. So we're going to let this go for a couple minutes. We thought we'd sneak something fun in on you as well. So look at this. We actually used 2 of our ice cream cone bowls, and now we're going to do a little s'mores bowls as well. But look at that. You can see that chocolate's already starting to melt really nice. We'll put those guys straight on the rack because it's got a flat surface, so we don't need to worry about that. But now we've done 2 different kinds, right? We've got these beautiful cones doing their thing. We threw in a couple extra little s'mores bowls as well just to add a little extra fun. We're at about 3 minutes. Let's take a gander inside here and see what we've got going. That is beautiful. Look at that. The marshmallows are starting to puff up and get nice and brown. Chocolate's starting to melt really good. These things are great. Super easy and wicked awesome. Well, I tell you what, look at that. That is 7 minutes, right? And what did we get in 7 minutes? Well, we got beautifully melted chocolate chips. We've got nice marshmallows. Didn't get a lot of color, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted these a little bit lighter. Didn't want too much color on them. Hey, I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a little more color on here, let them go just a couple minutes longer or turn your grill up another 25 degrees. So about 7 minutes total cook time, and this is where we're at. We're going to pull these guys off using a pair of tongs. We'll set them over there on the cutting board. Talk about some epic eats. This is definitely one of them. S'mores cones are fantastic. Hey, and they're good all year long. Don't just save this for the summer. Don't just save this for the fall. Let your family enjoy some s'mores cones all year long. Once again, I'm Chef Jason Morse, your Ace Hardware Grill expert. You can find today's Red Vest approved recipe at acehardware.com. Go to acehardware.com, tips and advice. Up in the search bar, type in recipes. You'll find this recipe and a whole lot more. And again, like I said, tell your friends, tell your family, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have anything that you'd like to see us cook or need tips on, let us know in the comment section below. We're helpful, and we will take the time to work out another one of our Red Vest approved videos for you. Once again, I'm Chef Jason Morse. Thanks for cooking.